Ano yan eh, tank. Nagiging paniki. Maganda gamitin, Brad, si Lucinda. Malakas yung ano niyan eh, skill. Tsaka si Bio. Si Bio yung ginagamit ko lagi dati. Pag nahigop ni Lucinda mag-ES si Bio, patay sila lahat eh. Pag naghigop na, to doon mo i-power bomb. Kaulit pipili, Brad. Pili mo na.
This, the wonderful life of Isle City.
Murphy is safe. Safe and reliable.
This is all part of the plan.
Times 1. Tayo pa yung target. Walang magaling dito sa ano. Ibang map to ah. Bago to ah. Dito tayo, Brad, sa hot rod. Dito sa hot rod.
Let's go here.
Ang bugbugan dyan, Brad, sa carnival eh. May papunta din dun, Brad, dalawa ah. May papunta dyan, dalawa. Dito ka sa may factory, Brad. Ito. Diyan ka sa factory. Nice. Na-level up agad.
Ako. Saan ako?
I invite you to come with me here.
Isa akong ano.
Ibang map to, ito yung lumang map. Ha?
Nasaan kayo, boss?
Over here, haha, with
Huh?
haste, my friends.
Ano ba? Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Parang naiba eh. Naiba yung ano ko.
Hindi,
Wala
nag-iba
kang
yung map.
na to?
Malaki to eh. Ito yung map dati.
Reloading.
Kalaban.
Kailangan nyo ba to Stellar Wind?
Uy, kailangan ko yan, boss.
Ay,
Kailangan
Stellar
ko
Wind
yan,
ba to?
kailangan ko yan.
Oh, ito.
Nasaan?
Ito. Lapit ka sa akin. Ito, boss. Ito.
Dito tayo sa... Huwag tayo sa
Ayan,
gitna,
binagsak
boss.
ko na. Binagsak ko na.
Yan.
There's a magazine here, level 3.
Les, kailangan 4 times scope.
There are materials
Ito,
here.
dito.
There are materials here.
Try my rolling slam.
30 seconds.
There are materials here.
Uy.
Wait up.
Hindi, ano lang. Sinusubukan ko lang yung baril.
Gugulat ako. Wala yung... Doon tayo sa may mga shield, Brad. Wala tayong malakas na shield. Ano?
What a dangerous smell!
Ayan.
Open fire! Eat this!
Yeah, sunog. Sinunog ni Kamatis.
Someone's attacking duck side.
Awa. Ay, meron pa isa oh.
Here, with haste, my open fire. You ran right into my line of fire.
Likod mo, Brad. Napatay.
Duck side's getting angry. Things are gonna get serious.
Reloading. Gotta get back in the fight.
Saan, Brad?
Reloading. Isle City.
Open fire. Just a little taste from Murphy
Bandaging.
Security.
We'll recover shortly.
Patay. Teka,
Ito pa, Brad, doon,
Huwag niyong papatayin.
Ay, may papunta dito, Brad. Ayun oh. Dalawa. Eh, tama. Ayun oh. Huwag ka dyan, Brad. Kitang-kita ka dyan.
Ayun, oh.
Open fire.
Ayun, nahihigop oh.
Hey, you dared to attack such a cute ducky. Your skills are mediocre. Time to say goodbye.
Kawawa, hindi sila nakaalis.
I invite you to come with me here. There are materials here.
Punta muna tayo dito, Brad, sa shield. Itong dalawang shield dito. Sayang.
Experience, this is a good spot.
Ay, ito, yun oh.
Danger.
May papunta dun sa dalawang shield,
This is a
Brad.
good spot.
Ayun oh, nananakbo.
Duck side's getting angry. Things are
Kukunin ko na
getting
tong mga
serious.
shield, Brad. Abangan nyo yun. Na, may kalaban ata dito. May tumatakbo, Brad. May naririnig ako. Sa likod ko.
Reloading ammo.
Fire on them.
Over here. With haste, my friends.
Ito dito.
Danger. Open fire.
Reloading. Patience, please. I invite you to come with me here.
Brad, meron dito ah.
Reloading.
Over
Teka,
here.
ang dami. Dito.
A new Reaper has arrived.
From Murphy Security.
Uy, bakit may apoy dito?
Strong I am, huh? My reloading.
Dito, boss, ang dami.
Nasaan? Layo ko sa inyo, Brad. Teka, pupunta ako sa inyo.
What a dangerous smell.
Airdrop arrived.
Under attack.
Boss, dito.
Ayun.
Your skills are mediocre. Time to say goodbye.
Patay.
Things are gonna get serious.
Meron ba?
Reloading ammo.
Meron pa.
Ambush.
My strength
Patay.
filled with. Rescue.
Dalawa lang, tatlo lang yun. Okay na.
Bandaging. We'll recover shortly.
A warrior doesn't abandon his squad.
Reloading. For Isle City.
Thanks. The next.
Yun.
I got distracted. Restoring shields.
May stellar wind dito.
Wind sniper rifle here. Shields are my best friend. Gotta restore.
I need a vehicle. What a dangerous smell. I invite you to come with me here.
Saan?
Go here. Just a small suggestion.
Reloading. The hunt begins.
Ayun.
Go here. Just a small
Naispatan
suggestion.
ng...
Lalanguin ko na.
Here. Duck sides getting
Brad, ang
angry.
layo
Things
niyan.
are gonna get serious.
Sniping nyo lang.
Nahanap nyo ako.
Reloading. Gotta get back in the fight.
Matay na yun. Patay, patay, patay. 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 Hindi pa namatay, Brad. Sana lang. Brad, ang dami dyan. Ang dami dyan, Kiko. Ang dami dyan. Matras ka muna. Ang dami dyan.
Feel the gravity.
Start delivering airdrops.
Ay, meron dyan. Ang dami, Brad. Ang dami. Dito lang tayo, Brad. Puta, namamatay, oh. Nasusunog ni Kiko.
Try my
Ayun, oh.
rolling
Si Ducky
slam.
side.
The chariot. The hunt begins. Reloading.
Boss,
Ayun na,
patay na
sagot
sila
na.
lahat.
Safe zone will retract in 30
Lumalangoy kami ni Josh Awi.
Meron din dito ah.
Fire! Indeed! Reloading. Isle City.
The world is under my control. No exceptions.
Umariba si Kamatis.
Restoring shield.
Dito may nagbabakbakan dun, Brad, oh. Ano?
My experience.
Sa pinanggalingan natin. Saan ba tayo? Nasa gitna pala tayo, Brad.
Ang dami babarilan ah.
Ga, gusto mong puntahan yung airdrop?
Saan, saan? Uy, may mga barilan.
Dito.
Shoulda ducked. A nice little ace package from Duckside.
Si Baking Queen.
Nandiyan ba yun yung bumaril sa akin?
Duckside's getting angry. Things are gonna get serious.
supply ship en route.
May bumaril sa akin, boss eh.
Dito kaya tayo. Dito muna tayo magtago.
Start delivering airdrops.
Full speed ahead. Let's give them some ducking pressure.
May shield din pala yan, Brad, eh, oh, yung ginagawa mo. May shield na extra.
Go here. Just a small.
Nandyan yata sila, Brad.
Airdrop.
Teka, isasan ko.
The hunt begins.
Ayun, may isa.
Ayun.
Go here. Just a small suggestion.
Dalawa yan, Brad.
Psionic sight.
Reloading ammo.
My reloading speed is removed. Shotgun back in the fight. Fire.
Ano ba yun? May bibi.
Ay na, patay na.
That's it.
Uy, tanga na, may
A nice
bibi.
little ace package from Duckside.
Kala ko si Just Away. Pinapatay ako ni Just Away, may friendly fire.
My reloading speed is as fast as my shuffle.
Reloading. Isle City.
Ito muna tayo. Tago lang tayo dito, Brad.
There's a growth XP here.
Lang pa ba yan?
There are materials here. The world is under my control. No exceptions.
en route.
Ang daming baril dito.
Hey squad, I found a muzzle.
Duck
Level
side's
5.
getting angry. Things are gonna get serious.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Parang may bumabaril. Doon oh.
Danger.
May bumabaril doon.
Punta ko
Ayun
yun.
oh. Brad, nakita ko na. Ay, wag, ang dami, Brad. Ang dami.
The hunt begins.
Dalawa.
Back into my line of fire. Reloading.
Tangina lumalangoy.
Eh. Asan? Nagpamatay siya.
Mediocre. Time to say goodbye.
Lumalangoy. May isa
Ano mo
pa
yan
dun.
oh, yung airdrop, Brad. Ah,
My reloading speed is as fast.
Full speed ahead. Let's give him some ducking.
patay yung isa. Patay yung isa, Brad. Boom! Siyang... As ni Raceback, dalawa yung napatay.
Ang lakas ni Resback.
The gravity of fate.
Sing...
Iron Man na sana ako.
A nice little ace package from Duckside.
Reloading.
Iron Man na oh. May lamang ganin yung airdrop. Ano, master na, master.
Ano yung master?
Yung rank, Brad. Pangalawa sa, ano na, mataas.
Hmm.